I love Battle Cats. You guys love Battle Cats. Battle Cats is cool. So, what we're gonna be doing is playing Battle Cats. Because Battle Cats is cool. Yay! Today we're gonna be checking out the new events. And we have the Majestic Zeus, which is where I got my 2 Ubers. Nice. And then we have the June Bride capsules with Kronos the Bride and Birata Beluga. I need him. Or her. And we have a new event capsule. Yippee! June Bride of the Devil. Draw limited Bride of the Devil capsule using holy water. God, I need to lower my volume. Jesus Christ. There's Ancient Egg and then choose wise. And then Egg N201, which gives you an exorcist. Nice. Try this one. The Ghost Chopper. After 3 stages clear, you must wait a short time before trying again. Haunted by the Room. We're just going in here blind because... Oh, is it a zombie stage? Who the hell are you? It's... Send out Knife Thief Cat. Get him. Kill him. Okay, so it's basically normal enemies but stronger. Send out the gang, boys. Ching. Yeah, this was easy. I won. Yeah, I expect that to be harder. Do I like get anything from it? Is there a chance to get anything, or is it just nothing? Likely chance to pick up holy water. Obviously not. Level 2, we have the Biting Priest. That's a lot more enemies. It's an extra 2. That's what I mean by a lot more. The Biting Priest. Ooh, new place with more zombies. Zombies, ghost, I don't know. Okay. I still don't know what Aku is. You'll probably find out Balaluga, and a Raffle Patel. Oh god. Don't you dare hurt me. Take that. Get so far it's just red cat, red. Ooh, that's a ghost lamb, a ghost pig, a ghost lamb with a red seal and a red piggy. I don't like that. Kill him now. See, you can try it because I beat the thing and we got a thing. God, what does this do? A cat CP. Damn, I have 21 of these? Do I just never use these things? What are they? Keep going to Ghost Chapel. They do? Oh, hey. The bird just told me they do again for me. The Transparent Attendant. Oh yeah, so it does do the game for me. Send out Knife Cat join me, fool. Ow. Ow. Oh, who the hell is this? Ooh, I don't like you. You're big strong. Oh, is that an Aku enemy? Is that what an AQU enemy is? Oh god damn, they strong as hell. Right? Please never do that again. Oh, that was a boss. No. Jesus Christ. Yeah, I think that was an AKU enemy. Let's see if we go in. No, not cat guy. Let me go on enemy guy. Here it is. Yeah, an AKU dog. Brother of high school life, Doji's brother ran away to join the ranks of the AKU. Due to the clan considers him a traitor, he still secretly pays for Doge's tuition. Oh, well, that's nice. But he's strong. Okay, so basically I need to get... Use my leadership. I need to get Lucifer because if I'm correct, he's good against AQ. Yeah, Lucifer. He is saving the day, because if I didn't have him, I would be screwed. No, 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 don't, please don't kill him. Please don't, no. Don't touch the base, don't touch the base. This is the one time where you want my guys to not touch the base. Yo, sheeps, kill my guys, please. I said kill my guys, please. No, don't let them touch the base. You stupid rams, kill them. This is the only time I'm gonna let my guys die. Okay, so let me send out you two. Another one of you. And they should hold off for a while while I get my Lucifer. While I get Lucifer. Yeah, Balaluga, and we have Raffle beside him. Get more of you guys out. Fire cat cannon! Okay, we got Lucifer. It should be okay. Now spam me shield. Spam me shield. Spam everything I own. Spam me shield. I love spamming me shield. Okay, he comes out. Oh my god, he is strong. He has a shield? He has a shield? That's not fun. Oh, that's not fair. He has a freaking shield. Oh, let's go. Lucifer broke the shield. No, Lucifer down. Lucifer down. I initiate. Lucifer is down. Oh god, I think we're dead now. Yeah, that wasn't according to plan. Hit him. Tush, tush. You do that again. And we put up you. And you. And don't you dare hurt Lucifer. Oh my god, he got a shield back? That's not fair. He shouldn't get a shield back. Oh, come on. This is just stupid. Oh, he revived his shield? He can do that? That's not fair. Why can he revive his shield? That's stupid. I'm at 25 HP. I have to beat this level. I don't care. Oh, he does not care about my freaking thing. Yeah, he doesn't. Yes. There's 7,000 health left. Jesus Christ. Why was that? I swear, if they summon another one, I'm screwed. Please don't summon another one. Thank you. Come on, Lucifer. Good boy. Good job, Lucifer. Finally, Jesus, that level took me forever. Oh my god. We got him with Lucifer. Are you serious? We got one. That was not worth 60 cat food. You better give me a cat. If I don't get that, I'm be mad because I just spent 60 cat food on something stupid. I'm stupid. I am officially stupid. Oh, damn. Dad. We got rare cats. Oh, yeah, we got all these idiots. I forgot I got these idiots from my 11 draw. And we got super rares. We got Toaster. And we got uber rares. Balaluga. Tiny Sorcery Lucifer. Yes, now I did it. Can I? Oh, come on! I'm so close. Sad. I need one more level, and then I think he evolves into his big strong form. But right now he's pretty useless, so we're gonna swap him out for Jurassic Cat, Pyro Cat, Fortress Cat, wait. I don't know. Toaster. You swap him out for a Toaster. Seems reasonable to me. Okay. Yep, we just swapped out an Uber for a freaking Toaster. Hell yeah. Room in the Suez. And it's probably fine. Let's get him. Oh, this is easy. Oh, hey, look, it's little clown boy. Little clown boy. Oh, I'm just gonna fan Giraffe because Giraffe big strong. Yep, Giraffe. Oh, it's a hippo. We're fine. Come on, Giraffe, get him. We beat the first level pretty easy because I'm the winner. You puppy. Ow! Stop! Stop. Okay. Oh, I didn't even know. It's called grooming. Now we have all you can eat rancid meat. That sounds like diabetes. Right, stop. I'm recording. Oh, no, 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 no. No, Ray, I don't care. Stop. Ah! No, stop, stop, stop! Stop! My brother's gonna get me. Brad, stop. Bro, stop. Stop. Dude, stop. Stop. Oh crap, I wasn't even paying attention. Now where am I? I think I'm dead. Man, I'm dead. Yeah, I'm dead. Shut up, Roy. I was not paying attention. So we continue, because that's not the logical thing to do, and I'm stupid. And now I send out all these random guys. Okay. Shooting out the random bozos. Ah! Oh my god, why is that so many damn rhinos? Don't touch him. And he's dead. My man just got folded like a piece of toilet paper. So I think this is a bit hard. You know, it's just an assumption. Each rhino does what, like 500 damage? Well, yeah, no way we're beating that. You know what, to end the video, I know that... Never mind. God damn it. Well, I was gonna say we could buy one of these, but never mind. Well, that's gonna be the video. I hope you enjoyed.